not become what we want to become, but become what we believe. With this mantra of my life, I introduce myself, Dr. Sonal, as the finalist of Diadem Mrs. India Legacy 2021. I belong to the state of Uttar Pradesh, northeast of New Delhi, Meerut city. It was the city from where the first Indian rebellion movement of 1857 against British East India Company was started. Meerut was the first city from which Dilli Chalo Andolan was started in 1857 against the British East India Company. I am a successful doctor by profession, working in one of the best hospitals in North India, Medanta Hospital, Medicity, Gurgaon. I am pursuing musculoskeletal radiology there as a profession. I did my MD from Tata Memorial Hospital, Mumbai in 2014 after getting a rank of 84 in All India Postgraduate Entrance Examination. After completion of my post-graduation, I went ahead to pursue fellowship from Harvard University, Massachusetts General Hospital in Musculoskeletal Radiology Subdivision. Following my MD in Tata and fellowship in Harvard University, I went ahead to pursue artificial intelligence from IIIT Delhi. It always been my aim to work on the cause of breast cancer detection. Enlightened by that fact, I went ahead to develop a tool on AI, and I'm still working on it. Other than all this, I'm also an entrepreneur and director of a teleradiology company known by the name of Subspecialty Teleradiology Private Limited. This company of mine is catering to the needs of multiple diagnostic centers situated all over India, mainly focusing right now in Maharashtra and South India. My achievements can be categorized into two categories. One is personal level achievements and other is professional achievements. At the personal front, I was always interested in painting and sketching. So when I was a kid, I participated in multiple painting competitions and got first prize in them. I also had an exhibition when I was in 8th standard and I was really appreciated for that. I was always interested in going ahead with shooting competition. So when I asked my father that I want to go ahead with national level air rifle shooting competition, he promoted it. And I got first prize in national level shooting competition in 7th standard. As far as academic achievements are concerned, I was all India topper in PG entrance exam and I got one of the best branch of my choice, which was radiology. It was a dream come true for me. And obviously I got it from one of the best hospital in the country, which was Tata Memorial Hospital. Tata was known like a dream for me. It was a cancer hospital catering to multiple centers and multiple people from all over India and world. After pursuing my radiology, I got ahead with artificial intelligence and I did artificial intelligence from IIIT Delhi. These are my achievements both in the personal and professional fronts. My family comprises of two beautiful daughters, aged 4 and 2 years old. I'm a single mother of those two beautiful daughters. My life never been a smooth journey, it always been a roller coaster. Also, my mantra of life is that happiness and success is not a destiny, it is a choice. If you want to be successful and happy, you have to work hard for it. It not comes overnight. There's no shortcut to success. Hard work is the key to success. In the coming up years, I want to see myself as a successful women entrepreneur, promoting women empowerment. I also want to be a successful TEDx inspirational speaker for those women who are suffering with domestic violence and different issues. For me, a woman is human. She is not better, she is not more intelligent, she is not more creative, she is not more stronger, more wiser, or more respectable than men, nor she is less than men. In fact, she is equal. Equality should be considered. A woman is a human.